Are you in the mood for exotic food, but don't want to spend too much money? Come to Afghan Charcoal Kebab House. You want protein? We got protein. You want carbs? We got carbs. You want salads? We got salads. You want tea? We got tea. And also other beverages. You want the meaning of life? Well, come to Afghan Charcoal Kebab House. This is not an official commercial. It was made by someone with too much time on their hands. So today, Mohammad wanted to show me one of his favorite meals at this family-run restaurant. The Half BBQ Chicken with rice, salad, and sauces. I also told Mohammad that I wanted a bit more food though, as I felt hungry as King Kong himself. So we also got a plate of Manto, which are Afghani dumplings, for $15, which is $7.50 shared between us. For $13, this half barbecue chicken meal is massive, and I'm pretty sure that one plate is enough to feed 2 average people. But me and Mohammad aren't your average people. I would like to think that we're special and unique, because everyone is meant to be special and unique, which means that no one is average. But if everyone is special, then isn't everyone average? Because I now have a headache. Let's get back to the food. Now, the thing about growing up in a Vietnamese household is that you grow up eating jasmine rice for almost every meal. And after decades of living off the stuff, the texture of jasmine rice becomes second nature. It's firm, but it's also soft enough to be mashed up if you apply enough pressure. But that's not the case with basmati rice. I found that basmati rice is much firmer, and so much so that you can feel every single grain on your tongue, and it doesn't get mashed like jasmine rice does. It's a weird observation for sure, but to me, I like eating basmati rice because it's different to the jasmine rice I've eaten for most of my life. So I can imagine that some Afghani person would enjoy eating jasmine rice because they got sick of eating basmati rice all the time. Alright, so let's get on to the half barbecue chicken itself. Oh yeah. I like it. For me, the highlight is this rich red marinade. It's got this wonderful mix of sour and spicy flavors, and it's not too salty at all. Now, I don't know the exact ingredients used for this marinade, but from my understanding, it's often a mixture of yogurt, lemon juice, salt, pepper, turmeric, garam masala, and so on. It's also cooked well, but to be honest, I'm not a big fan of chicken breasts. I think that they're really boring because of how dry they can get, but Mohammad loves them. My favorite part of the chicken is the thighs. Now, this salad is simple, but I found works really well to cut through all of that heavy rice and meat that is on this plate. Now here we have the hot sauce and the yogurt sauce, and they both remind me of that angel and devil on your shoulder metaphor. If you want a creamy, thick and safe touch to your food, go with the yogurt. If you want a spicy, tangy and exciting kick, then go with the hot sauce. As for me, why not both? But the real star of today though is the Afghani dumplings, the Manto. To me, they're super dumplings. These dumplings are generously covered in this red sauce made from peas, tomatoes, onions and garlic. Not only is there this red sauce, but there's also this garlic yogurt too. So instead of having to dip your dumplings in soy sauce like with Asian dining, the manto are served in a bath of these wonderful sauces. Now that is awesome. What's also awesome is the taste. The salty flavors of the meat filling work so well against the fresh flavors of the sauces. I also love the warm, wet and slippery textures of the dumplings. From now on, I'll always have to get this plate at any Middle Eastern restaurants that I go to in future. There's sugar cubes.
Yeah, sugar cubes.
That's awesome, man.
Yeah, I get like full body salad, you know, because I drink like God knows 20 tea a day.
Yeah. So your trick is that you keep the sugar in your mouth.
Yeah. When it,
while
now,
you're drinking
now,
it.
Yeah. Now it's hot. I show you.
Yeah.
Yeah. A smaller too, because I don't want to eat too much sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you keep one of these pieces in your mouth, and you know when you're having a sip.
You drink.
Yeah. Now it's hot, otherwise.
No. You feel it?
Yeah, it's so hot to try now.
And that, kids, is the story of how I ate Afghan food with Mohammad on a Wednesday afternoon. But Mr. Nguyen, what was the point of that story? Making your way in the world today takes everything you've got. Taking a break from all your worries sure would help a lot. Wouldn't you like to get away? Sometimes you wanna go where everybody knows your name, and they're always glad you came. You wanna be where you can see our troubles are all the same. You wanna be where everybody knows your name. Suck it, old man, you're not the only one who knows how to sing karaoke.